Hello guys, and today we are at a house. How long has this been like this then?
Ages.
Why is
Well, it
it?
was abandoned and then they went to convert it and then they disbanded it again.
Is this the way around here? Oh, I've seen this one.
Yeah, I know.
With the S things. What are they?
This is the one I said that'd be like really good for like our first house. Comes with it and all them trees over there.
Guys, this is like a massive one. Is that shed theirs as well? Ow! I just got stung.
Yeah.
Let's hope there's no asbestos in here.
Is that the way in?
Yeah. I'm scared. Wait, there's people working on it.
Okay.
There's work stuff all in there.
All the builder stuff is like they abandoned the builder stuff as well.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
I was going to say, we might see someone in there as they walked into that. Better take my sunglasses off while I'm in here, 'cause it's not very sunny. It's fine. Is it? Hmm? That's cool, isn't it? Do you want to go live on my phone?
Go on in. Do you want to start from outside and walk in then?
Yeah. Oh, what is that? Basically, all someone's stuff.
Oh. That's a decent condition as well though.
Wow. Should I open that?
Probably just leaves outside.
Wait, you open it. Okay, so
I don't think it will open that well.
what's that?
That's the front door, watch out, there's a big spot for that.
Where?
Up there. What makes webs?
Huh?
I assume there's probably a big spider around there somewhere as well.
Don't say that. Guess what? There's a toilet. Our favourite things. Whenever we go to places, we always seem to look at toilets.
Yeah.
Don't we? Oh, there's a mouse. Pardon? Oh, look outside this field. Who do you think owns that?
What, that house over there?
Yeah. Show that thing up there, that's horrible, that. What about here? Oh my days, that floor, look, you can see underneath. Right, going in there. Oh my days, don't.
What?
Guys, there's a dead animal. How do you think that died?
I don't know, but that means it's probably on one.
Yeah. I literally saw it and I was like, I know what that is. I know what that is. Animals scare me when they're alive, let alone dead. Even worse.
I'd rather them be dead than alive.
What? Meanie?
What rats? No rats serve.
Okay, let's just go in there. Just walk past the rat. Oh, what if there's another one? What if there's a dead person? What? It's like rat poo. Oh, look at this, like butterfly wings. No, I can't go any further.
Why?
Because there's dead animals.
Yeah, it's definitely a rat.
Have you seen how long this stick is?
Yeah. Shows that one up ugly.
This just came with it.
Did it?
Yeah.
Didn't it? That's quite. Should I get the bunny out? Someone just said they've got a place for you to go.
It smells. That rabbit or animal
Look down that toilet.
or... I have.
What's that?
Nothing. For one, I don't like toilets.
Head down?
Yeah.
Someone just said message them when you're finished.
Oh, where is it?
Where is it? Don't put it in the comments.
No, like roughly I meant.
Yeah, where is it roughly?
Or Helen and I. What? Hey, what about in here?
Right upstairs. Don't think, oh yeah, they're probably.
I don't know, I think it's a bit too big for a rat myself.
Oh no, rats are huge.
Are they?
Yeah. All the glasses go. Not even smashed.
Makes a change.
Oh, it's a mill. Yeah, we've been there multiple times.
What's all this foam? Are we going to another house now? Or?
I don't know if I've got time.
What time is it?
I don't know. I've got to be leaving here by 12:15. So we've probably got about half an hour.
Depends how far it is, doesn't it?
It's literally like right down the road.
On this little extending stick. Look how high up it is. Right guys, we've explored this house. I'm going to try and have a look in this shed. See if we can get inside. Why has it got that S's and that on there? Maybe it means like satanic. That's the explore the house done. I hope you enjoyed it. 'Cause I did.